Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your English online lecture of Standard First. Myself, Miss Pooja. Today we are going to learn subject English of Standard First. So, students, are you ready for learning subject English? Let us start with our subject English of Standard First. So students, Standard First, subject English. Today we are going to start our Unit 6. As you know that we have completed our Unit 5, and from our today we are going to start Unit 6 in our online lecture. So students, I request you all to open your English Bal Bharti textbook of Standard First, and also to carry a pencil with you for referring our today's online lecture. So students, are you all ready with your English Bal Bharti textbook of Standard First? Students, we are going to learn Unit 6 from this textbook. So, Unit 6, our first poem is Alphabet Song. So students, in your index page content of the book, you can see that there are total 8 units, and in this second unit test exam we are going to learn Unit 5 and Unit 6. So our Unit 5 is completed. As in the previous online lecture, I have completed the Unit 5. And from our today's online lecture, I am going to start with Unit 6, poem number 1, Alphabet Song. So in Unit 6, you can see the first poem. The first poem is Alphabet Song. So students, open your page number. Open your page number 51 of your English Bal Bharti textbook. बच्चों, आपको पेज नंबर 51 आपके इंग्लिश बाल भारती टेक्स्ट बुक में ओपन करना है. आज हमारे इस ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में हम यूनिट 6 पोएम नंबर 1 अल्फ़ाबेट सॉन्ग पढ़ने वाले हैं. So students, let us begin with our poem number 1, Alphabet Song. What is alphabet? Can anyone tell me? You are learning right from your nursery class. Yes or no? Yes. The alphabet is the first step of learning reading and writing. So we all know that there are total 26 alphabets. The alphabets are 26 from A to Z. How many alphabets are there, students? There are total 26 alphabets. That is right from A, starting from A and ending with Z. So here today we are going to learn a short poem on the alphabets from beginning from A to ending till Z. Okay students, so you have to listen carefully to the alphabet song. You have to pay attention in your textbook. Fold your hands, listen to the words. First, I am going to read the poem, sing the poem. So, Then I am going to explain you each and every line of this poem. Okay students, बच्चों, हमारे पोएम का नाम है अल्फ़ाबेट सॉन्ग। अल्फ़ाबेट क्या है? अल्फ़ाबेट आप एकदम नर्सरी क्लास से आप पढ़ते आ रहे हो। अल्फ़ाबेट यानी ABCD, ऐसे हमारे A से लेके Z तक टोटल 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स है। तो इसी अल्फ़ाबेट्स के ऊपर ये पोएम अल्फ़ाबेट सॉन्ग आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में यूनिट 6 में दी गई है। इस पोएम में हमें हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट के बारे में बताया गया है। तो आज हम इस पोएम में हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। आपको आपका ध्यान आपके टेक्स्ट बुक और इस वीडियो में अच्छे से देना है। पहले मैं पोएम को रीड करूँगी, तो आप बच्चों टेक्स्ट बुक में ध्यान दो और उसके बाद मैं आपको मीनिंग समझाऊंगी। सो स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन, रिपीट, रीड एंड सिंग अलोंग विथ मी। यूनिट 6, पोएम नंबर 1, अल्फ़ाबेट सॉन्ग। A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot, and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on island, J jumps and jogs, K keeps kittens and L lifts logs. Now turn your page to page number 52. M makes mistakes, N needs a nurse, O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose, S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella, V has a violet van, W washes windows whenever he can, X hides in boxes, Y says yummy and U, Z says zigzag zoom, hooray, we are through. So this is your poem. So students, now let us know each and every line of this poem. Okay students, you can see in this poem all 26 alphabets starting from A till Z all are given to us. Now let us know the meaning of the poem of each and every alphabet and each and every line from the poem. बच्चों, अब मैं आपको इस पोएम को एक्सप्लेन करने वाली हूँ। आपको हर एक लाइन का मतलब ध्यान से सुनना है। यूनिट 6, पोएम नंबर 1, अल्फ़ाबेट सॉन्ग। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so our today's poem name is Alphabet Song. Very good. Now let us start the explanation part of the poem. First line, A ate an apple. You can see alphabet A is eating apple. You can see here the picture of a half alphabet, half apple. He has ate an apple. So It is written that A ate an apple. It is written A ate an apple. You can see the alphabet A. Small a is eating apple. बच्चों आप देख सकते हो A स्मॉल ए अल्फ़ाबेट क्या कर रहा है? एप्पल खा रहा है. A ate an apple. B bounce a ball. What is B doing? Alphabet B is bouncing a ball. You can see in the next picture also the ball is bouncing. So B bounce a ball. He is bouncing a ball. बच्चों अल्फ़ाबेट B बॉल को बाउंस कर रहा है. C cut a carrot. C alphabet C is cutting a carrot. You know C. He is holding the carrot in one hand and he is cutting it. Alphabet C. C cut a carrot. See the carrot picture is shown to you all in the image. C cut a carrot. बच्चों C क्या कर रहा है? कैरेट को कटिंग कर रहा है. D dressed a doll. D alphabet D. What is D doing? D is dressing the doll. बच्चों अल्फ़ाबेट D क्या कर रहा है? अपने डॉल को तैयार कर रहा है, ड्रेस कर रहा है. यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर and in the second picture the doll is shown. D dressed a doll. D is dressing a doll. E eats eggs and E is eating eggs. Students, you can see the alphabet E. He is having the teeth over there and he is eating eggs. In the one hand he is carrying a plate of eggs and from the other hand he is eating eggs. Here is the picture shown to you all. Eggs. बच्चों अल्फ़ाबेट E eats eggs. E क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? eggs को खा रहा है. E eats eggs and F falls flat. What is alphabet F doing? F is falling down. You can see falling down. F is falling down. He is falling flat down. बच्चों falls flat यानी F को देखो. F अल्फ़ाबेट आपको टेढ़ा दिख रहा है यानी वो गिर रहा है. falls flat. Okay. Now the next is G grows grapes and what is G doing? G is growing grapes. Alphabet G. G for grapes. Yes or no? Yes. So what is G doing? G is growing grapes. You can see the picture of grapes. बच्चों अल्फ़ाबेट G क्या कर रहा है? ग्रेप्स को उगा रहा है. ग्रेप्स यानी अंगूर. ग्रेप्स. You can see alphabet G. H hangs a hat. What is H doing? H is hanging a hat. बच्चों H क्या कर रहा है? hat जो सर पे लगाते हैं, बड़ा सा टोपी होती है, उसे कहते हैं hat. तो वो उससे लटका रहा है. H hangs a hat. I is on an island. I is on an island. I is on an island. What is island? You can see in the picture. Island. Yes. Island means the ocean, the sea. A small part in the middle of the sea is known as island. Okay. So I is on an island. बच्चों I कहाँ पर है? I island पर है. आइलैंड का पिक्चर आप देख सकते हो. समंदर के बीच का हिस्सा उसे कहते हैं आइलैंड. ओके. आई इज़ ऑन एन आइलैंड. J jumps and jogs. What is alphabet J doing? J is jumping and jogs. Jogs, it means he is jumping with happiness. यू कैन सी अल्फ़ाबेट जे। बच्चों अल्फ़ाबेट जे क्या कर रहा है? जंप। जंप एंड जॉग्स, यानी जे जंप कर रहा है और बहुत ही खुश है। जे जंप्स एंड जॉग्स। के कीप्स किटन्स एंड के इज कीपिंग किटन्स। किटन्स, you know ना kittens? Yes. Who is kittens, students? Can anyone tell who is kittens? The baby of cats are known as kittens. Yes or no? Yes. The baby of cat is called kitten. बच्चों kitten किसे कहते हैं? कैट की जो बेबी होती है उसे कहते हैं किटन। तो के क्या कर रहा है? किटन्स को रखा है के ने। देखो के कीप्स किटन्स। यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ किटन्स। के कीप्स किटन्स एंड एल लिफ्ट्स लॉग। व्हाट इज एल डूइंग? एल इज लिफ्टिंग लॉग। व्हाट इज लॉग स्टूडेंट? LOG लॉग। लॉग मीन्स वुड। ओके, वुड ऑफ अ ट्री इज कॉल्ड एज लॉग। बच्चों लॉग क्या होता है? लॉग यानी लकड़ा, झाड़ का लकड़ा जो जिसे कहते हैं उसे बोलते हैं लॉग। एल लिफ्ट्स लॉग। एल क्या कर रहा है? उस लकड़े को, लॉग को उसने उठाया है। एल लिफ्ट्स लॉग। एम मेक्स मिस्टेक। व्हाट इज एम डूइंग? अल्फाबेट एम। एम इज मेकिंग मिस्टेक। यू ऑल्सो मेक मिस्टेक, yes or no, while writing? Yes. So M is also making mistake. You can see in the picture he is falling down. M makes mistake. Okay बच्चों M क्या कर रहा है? M mistake कर रहा है। Now N needs a nurse. N, alphabet N needs a nurse. He wants a nurse. You can see the picture of a nurse? Yes. Where you can see nurse? In a hospital. So alphabet N needs a nurse. तो बच्चों N को नर्स की ज़रूरत है। N needs a nurse. O obeys order and alphabet O obeys order. What is obeys order? Obeys order means to listen to an instruction or listen to anyone, means obeying order. Okay, so O obeys order. You can see the picture of a teacher. The student is obeying order. He is listening to the teacher. बच्चों obeys order यानी किसी का कहना मानना, किसी की बात सुनना, उसे कहते हैं obeys order. O obeys order and P patches a purse. What is P doing? P is patching a purse. Patches. What is patches? P is putting a patch on his purse. बच्चों अल्फ़ाबेट P क्या कर रहा है? अपने पर्स को पैच कर रहा है, यानी पैच यानी टैग जैसा लगा रहा है। P patches a purse. You can see in the picture. Small p, P is patching a purse. Q queued up quickly. What is Q doing? Q is queued up quickly. Queued up quickly. Okay, what is Q doing? Queued up quickly. Now he is getting ready. He is queuing up quickly. R rolled and rose. Next alphabet is R. What is R doing? R is rolling. Rolled and rose. Rolled means he is turning himself and he is again rising up. Rose. Okay? बच्चों R rolled and rose. R क्या कर रहा है? Roll कर रहा है. Roll and rose. Now the next one. R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and what is S doing, students? S is speaking slowly. S spoke slowly and. बच्चों अल्फ़ाबेट एस क्या कर रहा है? धीरे से बातें कर रहा है. स्पोक स्लोली, धीरे से कुछ बोल रहा है. एस स्पोक स्लोली एंड टी टच्ड हिज टोज. What is alphabet T doing? T is touching his toes. You can see the picture. In the first picture, alphabet T is touching his toes. And in the second picture also, I have shown you that the boy is touching his toes. तो बच्चों T क्या कर रहा है? अपने पैरों के अंगूठों को टच कर रहा है. T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella. What is alphabet U doing? Alphabet U क्या कर रहा है? Umbrella यानी छतरी का इस्तेमाल कर रहा है. U uses an umbrella. And V has a violet van. What is V having? V is having violet van. Alphabet V. Okay, violet color van is there. He is having violet van. बच्चों V के पास एक violet van है. बैगनी कलर की violet कलर की van है. W washes windows. What is W doing? W is washing windows. You can see in the picture, alphabet W is washing windows. And in the next picture also man washing window. So W washes windows. What is W doing? बच्चों W क्या कर रहा है? खिड़की को पोंछ रहा है. W washes windows, धो रहा है. खिड़की को धो रहा है. W washes windows. X hides in boxes. What is X doing? X is hiding in a box. X अल्फ़ाबेट X क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? बॉक्स में छुप रहा है. X hides in boxes. Y says yummy and you. Y is eating an ice cream and he is telling yummy and you. What is he telling? He is saying yummy. Yummy means tasty. Yummy and you, yourself. Z says zigzag zoom. Now Z is very happy. What is he telling? He is saying zigzag zoom. Zigzag is a shape. You can see zigzag lines. Yes, zigzag zoom. Zoom means Z is happy. Okay, students. So here I hope that you have understood all the 26 alphabets from the poem Alphabet Song. Let us read the poem once again. A ate an apple. B bounced a ball. C cut a carrot. D dressed a doll. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on an island. J jumps and jogs. K keeps kittens and L lifts log. M makes mistake. N needs a nurse. O obeys order and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly. R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella. V has a violet van. W washes windows whenever he can. X hides in boxes. Y says yummy and you. Z says zigzag zoom. Okay. again, the last time I am going to sing this song in a tune. Let me repeat once again. Students can repeat the song along with me. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot, and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on an island, J jumps and jogs, K keeps kittens, and L lifts logs. M makes mistakes, N needs a nurse, O obeys orders, and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose, S spoke slowly, and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella, V has a violet van, W washes windows whenever he can, X hides in boxes, Y says yummy and U, Z says zigzag zoom, hooray we are through. So here the poem alphabet song is completed. So students, you are going to read the poem in your home. Now let us see the next page, activity part, page number 53. Open page number 53. Page number 53, carry a pencil in your hand. Okay students? Question number 2. Now here I have written all the things for you. I am going to explain what is there in the questions. तो बच्चों आपके हाथ में पेंसिल रखो. पेज नंबर 53. Question number 2. Say the letters from A to Z. Fill in the missing letters. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में आपको अल्फ़ाबेट ए दिया है. ए के बाद आपको लिखना है. ए के बाद क्या आता है स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर ए? बी सी डी एंड ई इज देयर. ओके. देन द नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वन ओ. आफ्टर ओ व्हाट कम्स? पी क्यू. आर इज रिटन. आफ्टर एफ व्हाट कम्स? जी एच आई. ओके. सो यू हैव टू राइट द मिसिंग लेटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Listen and tell the next letter. You have to tell the next letter. What comes after M? N. What comes after J? Alphabet K. What comes after N? O. What comes after V? W. Okay. So you have to write the next letter. Question number 4. Listen and tell the letter before. Now before means what comes before B? A comes. So you are going to write A. What comes after M? L. L. M. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. What comes before S? R. R. S. What comes before Z? Y. Y. Z. So this is question number 4. I have not written because the space is very small there. Okay students. Question number 5. Choose any letter from A to Z. Write within 2 minutes at least 5 words which have that letter. Choose any letter from A to Z. You have to choose any letter. Within 2 minutes you have to make 5 words which is having that letter. Okay. This is a short activity that you can do in your home. Question number 6 is make up meaningful phrase sentence by using words which begin with the same sound. You have to make sentences using the phrase given to you all. The sentence should start with the same word, same sound letter. Like B. A big blue ball for baby. Okay, a big blue ball for baby. The next is green. Green grass in the garden. The next cold snow mountains in the north. The next dogs guard our house. 8 planets in the solar system. So here you can copy this and write in your textbook. You have to write on page number 53. आपको पेज नंबर 53 पर आपके टेक्स्ट बुक पे ये लिखना है. Question number 7. Write the words starting with the letter given in the circle. Now in the first circle you can see which letter is given. A is given. So you have to write the words starting from A. आपको A से स्टार्ट होने वाले लेटर यानी वर्ड्स आपको लिखने हैं. आपको सर्कल में क्या दिया है? A दिया है. A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for axe. So you can copy the spelling from this video. The next G is given. सेकेंड लेटर दिया है G. तो G से स्टार्ट होने वाले आपको वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. G for grass, G for glass, G for grapes, G for girl. Question number 8. Frame meaningful words using the letters given. आपको बॉक्स में हेक्सागन शेप है, उसमें आपको अलग अलग अल्फ़ाबेट यानी लेटर्स दिए गए हैं, उससे आपको वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. I have made SMILE smile, ROAD road, DANCE dance, GATE gate, SLIDE slide, MORE more. So here we have completed our poem alphabet song. You have to write this in the textbook. You have to read the poem at your home. You have to by heart the poem from Unit 6 alphabet song. Okay students? Thank you for watching today's lecture. Now I wish all the very best to my students for their English 5th practice test exam. Okay? After this lecture ends, your exam is going to start from 10:30. आपकी एग्ज़ाम 10:30 10:30 से स्टार्ट होने वाली है 5th प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट. तो सभी बच्चों को ऑल द बेस्ट. डू वेल. थैंक यू.